Best summit ever.
Welcome to Acumatica Summit 2025. We're so happy you're here. We're constantly asking ourselves, how can we help you be your best and reach the level of performance that you are seeking?
The true power of the community is the ability to shape the direction of where we want to head. That's why we at Acumatica spend so much time listening to our customers, understanding what are your needs of today, where do you want to go into the future.
Acumatica is just getting bigger and more powerful.
It's great to hear about the innovations coming, about the momentum that's being created.
We want to arm you with the power of AI.
We're building AI directly into our existing workflows, including at the industry level.
AI that is giving practical value, AI that is adding business value, AI that works for you.
I believe Acumatica is the one taking the lead to the next step.
You are the first ERP to adopt Shopify's platform B2B primitives. And it's these two synergies between our platforms that just sets you apart from all of your peers.
I love going to the classes and sessions and learning more and having such an in-depth session.
I came for the info, but I'm here for the party.
I hope people let loose. I hope that we all have fun together and create some lasting memories.
I think a lot of what you learn when you attend a conference in person comes from the people that you meet and the stories that you share with other people.
I'm just kind of here to see the partners, the vendor, the community, interview potential partners, look at different applications, third-party integrations, right, that we can add on to.
That's one of the best parts about Summit, is that you get to come and spend the time actually face-to-face with the customers and with the other partners and just really, scoring a hole in one.
When we get to meet our customers face to face, I think that just helps us understand their business a little bit better and really get to know their personality and what they're looking for.
We're all here to meet you, listen to you, learn from you. This is the biggest summit we've ever had, so thank you for coming for it. It's been great. That's right. Let's take advantage of everything that the summit offers for you, for learning, for networking, for building the future of business together.
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 Building the future of business.
Construyendo el futuro juntos.
大家一齊 building a future together.
See you in Seattle.